As long as you say my name, every time I break you off, girl, I'll watch you break as we escape, 'cause I'm about to pay the love. Girl, you wet as a dream and I'm ready to break you off. I switched up my routine, it's something you never saw. I'ma make you scream all night long. When I look into your eyes, I know it's real. My whole life trying to find a way to show you how I feel. You're the only one on my mind, and you know the deal. Make you feel alright, girl, you know.
When you're Mexican, but
My life.
I clean my house once a week because it positively benefits my lifestyle. Here are 9 reasons of why you should do the same. 1. It supports a strong immune system. 2. It is proven to reduce stress. 3. A clean space will increase your productivity. 4. A clean bedroom will help you get a good night's sleep and will be refreshing to start the day off. 5. It encourages a healthier lifestyle. 6. Improves your mood and makes you feel accomplished. 7. Helps you stay organized. 8. Removes any nasty or unwanted smells. 9. Increases happiness. So
But what I realized is the reason why I wasn't getting as much done as I wanted to, and the reason why I was laying in bed so much, was because every time I was in bed, every time I was relaxing and trying to recharge, I was using that time to beat myself up and scream at myself internally for not doing enough. So instead of my bedtime and my relaxation time being relaxation time, I was just making myself more tired because I was not letting myself truly recharge.
Very good question. And I always say this, but there's something called nose blindness, and where you think everything smells fine, someone else will come into your home and think it smells gross. So I like to do this once a month, get a nice deep clean of the disposal. Dark, moist places cause odor because of bacteria. And yeah, that's important. Also the fridge. If you keep things in the fridge for longer than they're intended to and don't clean it out, that can cause odor as well. And then all you need is a little vinegar, lemon, water, and steam, and you can clean your microwave, get it really sparkly and clean, and the odor will be gone from there as well. And then your garbage can, make sure that you're getting up all the crumbs and the gunk and disinfecting the inside and changing it often. And there you have it.